To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy. This is the price action area. Buy price action. This is the price action area. Back price. Buy price action. Back price. This is the price action area. Support zone design. We draw very carefully. Buy price action. This is the price action area. Please continue. Continue. This candle is the candlestick. This is the candlestick pattern. This is candlestick. This point open position. Open position. This is the stop loss point. This point is stop loss. This is the stop loss point. Please choose the exact profit. The next resistance is profit. First profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. The next resistance is profit. Profit. Please continue. Please continue. This point open position. We continue. Please continue. Great profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. First profit. The best profit is here. To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy.